Good morning and welcome to week 13. We're getting near the end. You've done the last two weeks. We've looked at the technical feasibility of these bioenergy plants and economies of scale. This week we want to tackle markets and competitiveness and understand the whole point of this, as we've talked before, is there's certain the stages of this analysis is. The technical feasibility was, can I do it? Do I have the resources available so that I can physically build the plant and have the inputs in the location that I'm going to do it? And then the economies of scale is how big to make that plant to produce the optimum amount so that I have the largest profit margin and lowest cost. And so now that you've done those two, the next thing is before you ever build the plant, remember, is you want to know, okay, if I build this plant, am I going to be competitive in the market? Is my plant going to be able to compete with plants in the same area or in the same state or in the same region? It doesn't do any good to say, I have the technical feasibility, I've worked out the economies of scale, and then find out after I've built the plant that in fact I can produce that ethanol for $1.20 a gallon, when right down the road or across the state they can produce it for $1 a gallon, because you won't be in business very long with that. So it is very important to look at those markets and look at the competitiveness. Also looking at how full is the market. Most of what's driving the industry right now is the federal mandates, and so if there's already 12 billion gallons being produced, and you're going to come in and produce another 100 million gallons, it may not be feasible if the mandates only require 12 and it's not economically cost effective to do it beyond that. So anyway, we'll be looking at those this week, and you should be getting to that the next stage, which is that economics of the markets and competitiveness.